We started in August 2022, which was last year. What we do, we tutor children in mathematics from grade 7 to grade 10 in rural and township areas. I myself, I was struggling in mathematics. In grade 9, I got 3% in the new school that I went to. So that's when I went for extra tuition. Fortunately, my parents could afford that. And that's where I saw that, wow, if I have someone that I can ask questions from, speak to, someone that can motivate me, then I can actually improve here.
I think both of us are just passionate about teaching maths. It brings us alive inside, and I think coming from the background that he had, we were just chatting and we were just concerned about how many children are doing pure maths at school, dropping in grade 10 to maths literacy, coming out with a good matric, not a bad matric, but not being able to go on further into engineering fields, into maths teacher fields, because they haven't done the subjects.
We're very different to what is happening in the classroom. One, we're learner-centered in the sense that the learner comes to us, we give them a diagnostic assessment, right? This is to check their basics. What do they understand? What do they know? What they don't know, okay? And then after that, we create a program which is tailor-made for their needs, okay? And then we start them regardless of the grade that they are. If we see that the child is struggling with the grade 7 work, but they're doing grade 9, we're gonna start there and work our way up. We teach by asking questions. We let the learner talk more than we do the talking. So we're gonna ask them a question, they will answer, we pick up what they don't understand, and then we gently nudge them in the right direction. When we started, it was weird because people were like, oh, this is just another maths thing, guy want money. That's how when we started, that's how people saw us. We were charging about 350 Rand per month, right? And then the numbers were low, people did not come. And then we decided not to charge anything and just do it 100% free. And then people were like, okay, that must be weird. Why are they giving these lessons for free? And then they saw their friends improving. And then they saw the big improvements and were like, wow, this thing is actually bearing fruit. And then that's when the numbers started coming in. Since we've started, we've assisted about 101 learners. And we currently have about 35 active students with us. We have about 62 learners that want to join us. But due to space and resources, we cannot accept those learners because it's going to dilute the quality of what we're doing with the 35 that we have. Whew. Now, the demotivating bit is seeing a child that has potential giving up. You see that this child has potential, but due to all the social ills that this child is facing, we've seen that, we've experienced that. A child, when you ask them, why didn't you practice? No, I had a fight with my brother, or someone stole my phone, or I was mugged. Or there are those situations that we're dealing with on a daily basis. So there are those things where you're like, we're trying to do good, and then there are these disturbing things which are actually happening in the back end. Our vision is to have 10 maths pods in the next 3 years all over the Eastern Cape. These maths pods will be assisting at least 100 learners. And they will come to these maths pods after school, and then we're going to give them these one-to-one sessions in addition to what is happening in class. So we need computers, laptops, because we're leveraging technology. We need some funds to employ more people, tutors, because we don't just put learners in front of a computer and then we run away. There has to be that human touch to make sure that the learner is understanding what's actually going on. We need to have an administrator which will coordinate the center. So those are our big needs at the moment.
As I grew older and went to high school, I faced difficulties in understanding and, writing exams. What I learned Then I came here and they explained and taught me techniques and ways to tackle equations and other things in maths. I understood maths better and my marks have improved, very much improved, because I was kind of like failing because level 2 was a fail for me. But now I have made improvement, have improved a lot because of Izibalo, and I'm grateful for that.